proteinous eggs.
You get the eggs out.
Yeah. Should I lift this
Yeah,
hole?
just
Lift the gauze.
Oops.
He's falling.
Yeah, I'm holding it. Open it.
Okay. Oh, that was... Bismillah.
You're so good.
One little egg and two little egg.
Is there anything else?
No, I don't think so. I think there's only two eggs. Usually there's only two eggs. Oh, there's one big and one smaller, I think.
Did you get enough food? Do you get enough food?
It's gooses. Goose seems to have these sort of, you see, like powdery.
Why is there a little bit of reddish on this corner?
I think that's the paper.
Oh, okay.
Because sometimes there's green and blue on the shells. I think it's the paper's ready instead of there. I think it gets stuck.
Yeah.
Because when they first lay, it's kind of sticky.
Oh, the button's doing.
It seems to be okay. I like hiding.
Yeah.
Very small. Oh, she's running around.
Yeah.
Is she excited or?
Probably. Not entirely sure.
Is she scared or excited?
Focusing.
Probably because the wire's in the way. The camera's picking up the wires instead.
Probably.
I think you can actually make it like sort of looks transparent by... Oh, there's a nail. You can make it all transparent by painting it black so it's not so reflective. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because
I hope they start laying sooner.
I think it takes a little while for button quails, I think. Especially these guys took a while.